Dude. How's it going? How's it going? We got four people in here already. 2 and 2. YouTube and 2 on Twitter. What's up, everyone? Yo, what's up, man? What's going on? How's it going? Girthin K. I think that's how you say that. Just gonna wait a few minutes, see if more people show up. I know it is a Saturday night, so I worked all day. This is the only time I have to get on here. So yeah, what's up? How's it going? What are we gonna look at today? You said Gala Games. What are we on? I'm on Deck Screener. Yeah, Gala's gonna be a good play. Oh, you're at work? Okay. Good times being at work, huh? Gala from last cycle is probably going to be another 5 to 10x coin. Just like some of those old coins, as we've been saying, I'm trying to get the trading view up here. They're probably good, decent rollover plays to put, quite a bit of money in, and you're guaranteed a 5 to 10x. Gala, I haven't looked at Gala in a while. But yeah, we'll look at Gala just because you mentioned it here. Not sure when the last time I looked at it, but you can see there's a little W pattern here still in play. So Gala, where's Gala headed to? Let me see here. Nah, Gala's not hitting 100 million market cap. I don't know. What do you think? 1272 new high would give you 105 billion market cap here. I don't know. That's where Shiba's going. Is Gala gonna pull a Shiba here, do 113x from where it is? This is more like it. 13 billion, 786 here at about 35 cents. About almost a 15x, 14.5 to 15x. That's more like it. And then if it only does a 618 retracement, 7.5x almost. So yeah, I mean, I would throw a good chunk of money on Gala. Hit the 618, give me a decent little 7.5x on this thing, and then get out. That's probably guaranteed. Guaranteed 7x for Gala. Can you guys hear the music's not too loud, is it? Someone let me know if the music's okay. I've got 13 people up in here. How's it going, everyone? Hey man, respect the grind. Yep. That's what I told myself while I was at work today. I was like, I need to grind harder. I need to make sure I live stream every day and put out at least 10 updates on the channel, if not more. I did 3 already today, when I got off. And then I'm going to get on the live stream, and I'll probably do some more tonight. But if I'm not going to grind hard, I'm not going to make it. That's the way I told myself at work today, because I did not want to be at work. It sucked. He says, can you check Grape? Please, hoping it does 130x like OTK. Grape. What is Grape? Is Grape on here? But yeah, how's it going? We got 16 people in here. What am I doing? I'm going to the wrong thing. All right, so we just went over Gala a little bit. Gala's a good rollover play. These older coins, Gala, Doge, XRP. If you want, I would say if you want a solid guaranteed 5x, any of those that I just mentioned, and multiple others are good for a 5x, and they're probably going to do more than that. But if you only need a 5x, these older coins are your play. You said grape. I don't think I've ever heard of grape. Grape coin? Grape. No, it's not the graph. What is it? Grape coin? Grape finance? What is it? Let me make this on the big screen so we can see. He says grape to the moon. Grape's going to do 130x. We'll see. I don't know what grape is. Top one on KuCoin. Okay. So grape. All right, we'll just look at the KuCoin chart. But it's going to take a minute because I haven't heard of this one. This thing just come out. Damn, it already pumped. I don't know. We can do something with it, I guess. But let me see. December of 2023 it came out. So not yet a year old. High to the low. Came right up to that 236 and got stuck. Hold on, if I can get this to stick here. Yeah, it came up, got stuck at the 236. So until you get over 0024 here, technically the bottom's not in here. So if it comes all the way back down, which it went completely vertical here on that 3-day candle, what does it look like on the weekly? Yeah. So until you get over that, the bottom's not in. You said 150, what'd you say, 150x on this thing? 130x, he says. Let's see. So if this thing does a 618 retracement, which you can see all the support here, would be your resistance level to watch, and that would be your breakout point, by the way. Where is my tool? So from where it is now, I'll get into a smaller fib here in just a moment. All right, so the 618 retracement's a decent move, 14.5x here. 786 would take you up to 7.5, almost 8 pennies would be a 41, 42x. Not bad. If that is the bottom there, and then a massive move. If it's going to make a new high and hit 166, that's an 889.5 move. That's a huge move. I got to look at the market cap on this thing. So let me pull up Grape on CoinGecko really quick. What's up, CD? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. So Grape, he said Grape's going to do an 800x. I don't know what Grape is. Damn. Oh, I just have to look at the price. What is the price of it right now? Grape is at 001. That is not it. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to find it on I guess this is it. All right, we found it. So right now, oh, damn. Oh, it doesn't have a market cap. And it doesn't have the circulating supply. Do you know the circulating supply? Surprised it's not on CoinGecko. I know you guys can't see what I'm looking at, but I'm looking on the website really quick here. Trying to find the market cap for Grape Coin that's going to do an 800x and make us all rich. All right, come on. Okay, Grape. All right, I found it. It's at 1.8 at the moment. Yeah, okay. So the market cap right now, why does Coin Market Cap keep changing their user interface? They changed it again. $376,000 market cap. Self-reported circulating supply 200 million out of a supply of 2 billion. All right, so there's 200 million coins in circulation here. Okay, you just said that. Okay. What's up, Chris? How's it going? Man, we got some people coming in here now. We got 18 people up in here. He says, what do you think is going to happen on math? Let's finish up with grape here, because grape's going to make us all rich. All right, so grape, if it's going to come up to, if the market cap stays the same, or the circulating supply, of course, we have $1.67 here. So $1.67, and grape is sitting at a 200 million. What did I say? 200 million coins? Got too many pages open here. This is ridiculous. 200 million. Okay, let's get this rolling. This is starting to make me upset. 200 million. So if it comes up to $1.67, what would that be? Oh, I didn't type that in right. All right, so if this thing's going to come up here, then you're going to have the market cap, which is not bad at all. So what does Grapecoin do? That's a 334 million market cap. Wait, that's not right. Jeez. Okay, so 200 million circulating supply. I don't know what is wrong with me right now. So 300K market cap right now. So that's not bad. 334 million to hit at 800x to a new high. It's all gonna matter what this thing is and what it does. So I'm gonna write this on the chart. And this, he says he wants 115 or 150x. All right, so if it does an 800x, whatever Grapecoin is, 1272 new high. This is the KuCoin chart, by the way. 3-day candles. That would take you up to this price here, and that X and that market cap from where it is right now at 300K. If it only does a 786 retracement, I know we already went over this, but you can see that's a 40x up to 0.7. So almost 8 pennies. It takes me a minute when we have to do a new chart, so just bear with me for just a moment. But it is good you guys come up with new stuff, because then we get new stuff to look at, and then sometimes if I make an update video on the channel, you know, I never know what's going to explode in views. So it helps out sometimes when you guys ask for just random coins like grape here. So grape to the moon point. All right, so that's going to give you the market cap of 15 million. So this could be a play here. Is this on anything else besides KuCoin? I'll get back to the chat in just a moment. I can't see the chat right now. If I didn't have to work all day, I would probably figure out how to get the chat pinned to where I can see it constantly. All right, so 786 retracement, 15 million, 42x almost, and then 800 and something x to that market cap there. So we'll leave it at that for now on Grapecoin. All right, so we got some people coming in asking for some stuff. I will try to get to them. Not heavily invested, just $100. Yeah, that's good. $100 play. I mean, just let it ride, see what it does. If it does a 40x or an 800x, you're good. Hell, like I said at the beginning, if it only comes up and does the 618, just due to the fact that this is where all the support was, will be heavy resistance. So if it only comes up here, you still get a little decent, what I say, 14x here. Yeah, about almost a 15x to 2.7 to 2.5 pennies here. That's very possible if it stays and this is the bottom and it continues to go, which I already told you I would draw from the low to the high. Just try not to spend too much time on one coin, because I know people want to look at other stuff. So low to the high, keep it simple. As long as you're above 0.016, you're at 1.9, you're still bullish. Any lower than that, you're going potentially to a new low if it doesn't hold down here. And back over, let me see what the chat's doing. It says Gravity, Aleph. Hoping for 100x just like OTK. I don't know what OTK is. Yeah, that's a good plan there. That's my plan. $100, like you guys know, I have $100 on Solority. I just needed to do something, and then that money's going to roll over to probably another couple of meme coins until I get enough money, and then I'll roll it over into something like Gala, XRP, Jasmy, something like that. CD says there should be 10 likes. Hit the like button. Come on, let's hit the like button, people. How are you people over on X doing? All right, just because I see it, Jose, I'm gonna look at Aleph. I know I have a chart for that. It's a lot easier when you guys ask for stuff we already have charts for. I'm not spelling it right, but it still came up. You're talking about Aleph IM, right? I would assume that's what you meant by Aleph. Because that's the one we've looked at before. But yeah, okay, looking at it here, let's go back out to the weekly chart. So this thing's pumping too. Same exact market structure. So another one here, holding the higher highs, higher lows off of the wick. It's back over the 618 here. Let me just scoot this over. So this is what we've been looking at a lot lately and pointing out. This market structure here is very bullish. And then on top of that, what I just noticed here is you can easily see the W double bottom pattern, but you can also see the symmetrical triangle type of a pattern here, which could be a continuation pattern in a downtrend. But the fact that we're this close to the bull run, which I think is already kicked off, not the main part, but most of it, there's a triangle pattern here. But with that being said, Aleph IM, hopefully this is the right coin you wanted. And from where it is now after it pumped, it is coming up to the 786 here, so just be cautious of 28. You're at 26. It could get stuck here. We've seen a lot of things pump like this, but they're getting stuck and pulling back. So just be aware of that. If you can get over 28.4 here, then the next stop up would be potentially the new high. It doesn't have to come up there. It could come up here and just wick above and then come right back down, or it could wick above and then hold. Like I've said many times, I do not have a crystal ball, so the resistance is 28 here. But if it keeps going, 77% move, hits the new high here at 88. Once you blow through 46, would be a 238% move, so a little over a 3x. And then depending on what market cap you think this thing can potentially hit, the 1618 at around $2 gives you $500 million, 7.5x from where you are now pumping. And then all the way up here, 2 billion market cap, 2272, $9, 35x. But it's like I always say, I don't know what Aleph IM is or does. If you know more than me, I would imagine you've done your research on it and you're bullish on the project, of course. So you know where this thing could potentially go. But yeah, just watch the resistance at 28. And as long as you're above 19, that was your breakout, which you can see clearly happened here. Not bad. So hopefully you guys are taking profit and making money. That's what I learned last cycle. Do not just hold something because you think it's going to a certain spot. Take your profit out. Not financial advice, by the way. I missed a couple. You said, Chris says, can we look at gravity? Yeah, CD says, look, will you check? I think we looked at those for you already, but yeah, we'll look at them if I don't forget. Someone asked for something earlier. I don't remember what it was. Maybe it was nothing. Gravity. Let's go look at gravity real quick. Gravity to the moon. Gravity. I think we looked at gravity. Damn, is this it? Coinbase gravity? Maybe we didn't look at it. Gravity, so damn. All right, there's got to be a better chart than this. Coinbase sucks on charts. Let me type it back in. I'll look at the chat here in just a second, but is that the right one? Gravity sitting at around 3 pennies. There's a Poloniex chart. There's got to be a KuCoin chart. Oh no, Gate.io chart. Here we go. That's the stuff there. But we haven't looked at this one, so he's going to make me work now. No, Fernando, what's going to happen to Avalanche? Avalanche is another good play. Like we talked about earlier, Avalanche is one up there with Gala. We'll go over Avalanche. Gala, XRP, all the older coins that are going to do 5 to 10x is almost guaranteed. Good places to put a lot of money, in my opinion. Beebs in the house. How's it going? He says, greetings, future crypto millionaires, Jasmine, Caspa, Turbo. Yep. The Bert AI and Carlo on base. Okay, so we got to go over to Deck Screener. Peak 8, welcome. He says Alien Base pumped. Okay, we're gonna have to go over to Deck Screener in just a moment. Let me look at this one. Let's finish Gravity real quick, and then we'll look at. I think that was it. Oh yeah, math. Will it keep running or will it dump? Okay, we'll look at Gravity and we'll look at math. Gravity. So Gravity here, we got a Gate.io chart. Gravity high to the low. Let's see what this tells us. So you're over the 236 still holding. That's stuck at the 618. Let's see here. So you can clearly see it's holding this trend here. So let me just quickly draw this on the chart. Damn it. Alright, so it's holding this uptrend. It's trying to hold the structure that everything else is doing, which I guess you could say it is, even though it wicked down here. But you can clearly see higher highs, and now it is making a higher low over the 236. So as long as you're over 3.2, you're at 3.3. That confirms that the bottom is in on this thing, which let me put it off non-log to see if it tells us any different. Nah, not much of a difference. All right, we'll just keep it on this. I'm going to have to go pull up the market cap, but first let's measure. So on this thing here, which if it's going to come up and make another high, hopefully, 47% move up to 4.8. 786 retracement here. Not really that good of a move, but you know, nevertheless. But it is making higher lows, so that's what you want to see macro wise, which you can clearly see here. So that's bullish. And then if it comes up to the previous high, 73% move up to 5.7, and then the new high here would be a 100% move up to 7 pennies here. So this thing just came out in July, apparently. So 7 pennies the target for a 1 or 2x. I know nothing about Gravity. Hopefully this is the right Gravity. Yeah, you guys making me work here. Come on, it's Saturday night. I gotta go to work in the morning again. Gravity. I don't know. Whoever asked for Gravity just left. I don't know what's happening. I would imagine this is it. So apparently it's on Coinbase. 240 million market cap. Circulating supply is 7 billion. All right, so 7 billion. If this thing hits 7 pennies here, what would that be? So 7 billion. How do you guys hear about these coins? Wait, did I say 7 million or 7 billion? All right. All right, 7 billion. Let's move this along times 0.7 pennies. $490 million market cap. So $500 million. So just ask yourself, can Gravity here hit $500 million market cap? Million. Because you guys got to realize not everything's going to hit $500,000 and $1 billion market cap. That's not how it works. Never heard of Gravity before, so that's what you would get for that price. New high, $500 million market cap almost for 2x. Hopefully that helped forever. Whoever asked for Gravity there. I got to get back over to the chat. Okay, Chris, yeah, that was you. New coin. Yeah, it's pretty new. What market cap do you think it's going to go to? You think it has the potential to hit $1 billion market cap? So that $1 billion market cap would potentially take you all the way up here to the 2272 billion market cap on this thing. 15 cents around that would be a 4.5x. So hopefully that helped a little bit. All right, so we're getting behind already here. Fernando, he says, thanks for the advice, brother. I do not give advice. None of this is financial advice. It's all entertainment and fairies. It's all magic. But yeah, was there something? Oh yeah, math. Someone asked for math, and then we'll go over to deck screener. And he says there's a cup and handle on Jasmine on the weekly. Oh, you're talking about right off that shoulder, probably. All right, let me look at math real quick. Math to the moon. Is math gonna pump or dump? Damn, come on. So math we cover all the time. Yeah, math looks like it went, but oh damn. Did we look at this yesterday? Hold on, I don't know why this is not resetting. Yeah, we look at so much, I don't remember if we looked at this move yesterday. This is the weekly. But yeah, math had a nice pump. Yet another one with the market structure we were looking at. Broke the downtrend, consolidated for a minute, and then she took off. So you're asking, is it going to continue to go, or is it going to dump back down? Well, it's over the trend line here. So what I can simply do, it is coming up to that 618. It doesn't have to hit it, but it's coming up here. Good move here, by the way. So like I said earlier, not financial advice, but hopefully you guys are taking some sort of profit, because this is crypto and things do spike up and come right back down, and you miss out on those gains. That's what I learned, and I mentioned this earlier. Don't be afraid to take your profit out. And if you let your initial investment, whatever you bought in, ride, but if you're getting on these pumps, you're taking some profit out, then just let the rest ride. You don't want to get stuck here holding when this is all over and you didn't make any money because you were holding too long. And that's just for everybody. That's in general. But really all I can say about it right now, let me put it on the 3-day on math. It is coming up to the 618. If you get above 7.7, that's a huge step in the right direction. If you break this high from back here, that's an even better step in the right direction. Let me draw a line on here, because I'm not sure what that top is. But if it can break through, let me get this perfect here. If it can break this high here, then this thing may continue to run here. The thing I'm worried about is potential zooming out double top with a lower high here if it doesn't quite hit that 618, as you can see here, which it already is forming a wick. So 8.6 here, 8.69, so pretty much 87 pennies. If you can break over 87 pennies, there's a chance it'll continue to run here. But let me go ahead and pull this up, and then we'll go from the low to the high on math. Say this is the wick it forms and it stays, that's all it does, and it comes back down. We could draw this in a couple of spots on a couple of different time frames, but the larger one here, you can clearly see 50 cents. As long as you're above 50 cents, it could pull back and bounce. But you can see that's right above the 0.5. So it could just simply back test the 0.5 here and bounce at that point. That's the pullback I'm talking about. Now, if we pull it up to this pullback, it doesn't make a huge difference, but, But yeah, it's good to see that math pump. But this is exactly what we're looking at on everything. The wick down and the higher lows, everything's curling up here. That makes me think of what I just covered. What was it? Fox? Yeah, Fox is still in the downtrend. Fox is going to do the same thing. Fox is going to break out, consolidate for a moment, maybe back test like math here, and then it's going to go. So that's really all I can say about math. I have no idea if it's going to continue to run or not. The momentum is clearly up. See the stock RSI here on the 3-day, weekly. Looks extremely bullish right now. But that's really all I can say on it. I got to get back over to the chat. All right, so yeah, we just looked at math. I know you check Pepe regularly, and that's around, what are you saying? It's slightly below right now, but pumped to 109 last night. All right, so let's look at Pepe's on the other chart. So he said, oh yeah, Pepe and Jasmine. If I missed something, I apologize. Pepe's on this chart somewhere. Oh, there's Avalanche. Someone said Avalanche. What is Avalanche going to do? Avalanche is going to come up here, 131 billion market cap, $300, do a 10x, 11x. That's where I think Avalanche is going this cycle. I think Avalanche has done nothing for too long, and this one is going to have a decent run here. And the same thing here. You guys see this, right? After breaking down, we're curling up now, and things are starting to pop off one at a time. So if your chart looks like this, just get ready. Get ready with your money bag. Get ready to take that money and run. Not financial advice, of course. But yeah, and he says, oh, Dogecoin is pumping. Whoa, Dogecoin is pumping, and it broke the high. Is Doge getting ready to go here? What are we on? We're on 3-day. Let me go make sure we're on the right thing here. So Dogecoin, we've been watching on the monthly chart. You can just clearly see how bullish this thing is. But the same structure here, even on the monthly. Curl up, higher highs. It just broke the downtrend here, and she's pumping now. Dogecoin to the moon. I know you didn't ask for Dogecoin, but where's Dogecoin going? I know you asked for Avalanche, but where's Dogecoin going? On our chart here, it's either coming up to the previous high, which you can see was right above 73, 74 here. So 5x, I think that's guaranteed. It's going to go higher than that. So Dogecoin is going to go to $2 then. $2 Dogecoin, 300 billion market cap, and a 13.5x. Just like it did, it's repeating itself. The same thing it did back here. You can clearly see this. It's doing it on a larger scale. I know it's a heavier market cap now, but it's going to run hard. And you can't tell me that Dogecoin is only going to do this cycle. Lower high and then come down and go to zero for the next 4 years. If that's the case, then we're never going to make money. That's why I think we have to be bullish on these things. It's coming up here. Even if it's 4-day, 300 billion market cap, $2 Doge, and then we'll do that. And then we were looking at Avalanche. Where did Avalanche go? Yeah, I'm trying to speed this up. So we're just keeping it focused on the monthly here, just so you guys can see it and it looks prettier. You can see, yeah, Avalanche, we already said 11x up to there. If it only does a 786 retracement, which would be nothing. So if Dogecoin doesn't make a new high, then Avalanche is going here, 33 billion market cap, and you're only getting about almost a 3x out of it. And then someone said Jasmy's forming a cup and handle on the weekly. We've been watching Jasmy in this pattern here. You talking about this right here? Just trying to see if it formed. I don't know about Jasmy right now. I want it to be bullish and continue going for you guys. But the head and shoulders pattern here, and if it breaks down, it's going to break down. I don't know. I don't know. Things aren't breaking down right now, but Jasmine just, I don't know what Jasmine's doing at the moment. It's in its own world right now. Potentially going down to 0.008 if it breaks down. It doesn't have to, especially the stage of the market we're in. Unless we're getting another pump on a lot of stuff and then we're all going to break down, and Jasmine's telling us that here. What if that is the case, that Jasmine here, the head and shoulder pattern on the large time frame, is telling us, screaming at us, that hey, even though things are starting to pump, we're about to go down again? That would suck. What did you guys ask for? I know we need to go over to deck screener. I know we got more people coming in. We got 34 people in here. So who's all at work? You guys got nothing better to do but look at crypto on a Saturday night, huh? Oh, we got a super chat. Helen, thank you for the 5. I appreciate that. Didn't say anything, just $5. That's awesome. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, guy? Chung says Moonwell. Chung says we need to do Moonwell, but we're missing stuff. Helen says, can you look at Moonwell? All right, since she gave me $5, we're going to have to look at Moonwell. What's pumping? He says it's pumping. Oh, math. Yeah, math is pumping. Yeah, that's exactly what I went over just now. These things curling up and they're slowly, one at a time, pumping. But as we're looking at Jasmine on the screen, I don't know what Jasmine's doing. Beeb says, do you like Floki this cycle? I forgot about Floki, actually. But yeah, I'm getting behind here. We're going to have to go look at Moonwell. And then if you guys remind me about deck screener. Moonwell. Yeah, people are starting to be bullish on Moonwell. All right, let me go over to Moonwell really quick. What is Moonwell doing? Is there anything else pumping like math there? We had Polyswarm the other day pump up. Now math is pumping up. One of these I added to the damn others list. I don't remember which one it was. Let me see. Just so I can take that off the list. Oh, Orion. What is the Bitcoin dominance doing? Still bullish. As long as this is going up, we're never going up. At least the altcoins. All right, let's go look at Moonwell for Helen. I appreciate the super chat. I appreciate the support, or the super thanks, whatever that was. Oh, I'm looking for Well. Well. Damn, Well's pumping. Everything's going to leave me behind. Jeez. All right, so Well's up 84%. It's moving. It's back above the 0.5 here, as we can see there in dark green. I don't know why this is so far over. So as long as you're over 5.3 here, the price to beat, the thing to watch for here would be, of course, the high here. You don't want to double top with a lower high, then it'll pull back and come back down. Another thing is, which you can see in the history, every time it does a V-shaped recovery, it crashes right back down pretty hard. This one, huge one here, came all the way back down. So when this thing gets stuck, expect a huge pullback. That's what I would say from the chart history here. But zooming in, I'll get into a smaller one in just a moment, but where did this thing go to on that last pump? That way you guys have a price to watch, and you'll know if it breaks it. It doesn't have to, but there's the potential that it continues to run when that market structure gets broken. So if I get this right on the top of that candle, where did it go? About 72. So you're at 61. If you can break over 72, as long as you're over the 0.5, then it'll be bullish. But like I just pointed out, it runs, it V-shapes, and then it kind of pulls back. But at any moment, this is the weekly candle. Let me go look at the smaller ones. But yeah, it's bullish right now. It's just going to depend on if it's going to continue to go. Which one other thing I can do with that there, we can go from that high to the low. And I would imagine it's through the 786, yeah. So you're above the 786, you're above the macro 0.5 here. So it's looking good. Other thing we could draw, which there's not really a wick here. Yeah, we're gonna draw it here because it's still moving, but I would just focus on this. As long as you're above 4.7 up to 5.3 or 6.1, this thing's still bullish now. You break over 7.1, it's going to continue to run. The next big stop up is, of course, the 618 at 10.4. So 10.4 is your big price if you break that high, and it should come up another 70%. But yeah, maybe it does. I mean, this thing is making higher highs here and higher lows, that curl up that you like to see, that we point out on everything, even if it's on the macro or the smaller time frames. You can't get any bullish or bullisher than that. So maybe it is going to come up here and make a new high and hit the 786, or it could hit the 618 and then come back down. So hopefully that helped on Moonwell. But yeah, every time it does, it V-shaped recovery and then it comes right back down. So hopefully you guys are making money on this stuff. Just need my coin to do something. What's up, guy? How's it going? Proverb says, what's your price targets for ZK SYNC? ZK Sync? I've never heard of that. What is ZK Sync? Is that a regular coin or a deck screener coin? Crypto, LFG. Yeah, we just looked at math. Math looks good. It's bullish right now. We got Beeves for $4.99. I appreciate that a lot. That's awesome. Thanks for all you do. Thank you for watching, man. I appreciate you guys being so supportive. We got 36 people in here, 26 people on YouTube here. We're still trying to break our record. I think it was like 45. Crypto LFG for 2 says, what you think Mac will run up to? Yeah, you came in late. I appreciate the super chat. Yeah, we're going to go over to Deck Screener in just a moment. ZK on Coinbase, okay. But yeah, we went over math, but since you sent the super chat, I'll go back to it. But yeah, math doesn't look too bad right now. But just remember, we talked about it earlier, but Polyswarm pumped and then it got stuck. Is Polyswarm still getting stuck? But yeah, math, the resistance to watch on math, we just went over this, is 77. That's the 618. It doesn't have to reach all the way up there. If you look on the larger time frames here, the weekly and the monthly, this could be a double top with a lower high, and it's just going to simply pull right back down, especially off of this V-shaped move. When you have something run up so fast, there's always a decent pullback until we hit that point of the market to where everything's going vertical. I don't think we're there yet. We're having a nice, decent move here on a lot of things. A lot of things are curling up. We've been going over this, the market structure. Come on, computer. That math had here broke the downtrend, back tested, and went. Polyswarm, I think, did the same thing. So just kind of watch 77. You could get stuck here. And then the price to beat is this yellow line we drew at about 87. If you can break over 87, break this previous high, it may run all the way up to the 786 at 159. If you get over 77, and then that 87, 123% move up to the next resistance. It may not go now, but if it at least gets up here and holds over the 618, that would be a good big step in the right direction for this thing. The other thing we went over was, of course, it's back through the trend line here. So the downtrend that was broken and then back tested off of this wick, it's back above that. So that's a good sign. And like I always say, this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you guys what it is exactly going to do, but we can point this stuff out. And he said ZK on, I know I'm missing stuff, but ZK on Coinbase. Someone said alien based. Yeah, we're going to have to go just hit 1 million market cap with volume. He said, PJ says, can you check out Geki, Night Rider meme? I think I heard of that one. Night Rider meme with low supply. All right, let me go look at What do you say? ZK on Coinbase. Is that another one that's going to make me work? ZK. Another low market cap Coinbase play, I would imagine. Okay, so that's it there. Let me see if there's an older chart. ZK Sync. I can see the symbol. Ticker symbol picture. Because usually the Coinbase chart, even if it's on Coinbase now, it doesn't have the full picture of what is going on. So the Gate.io chart's not even that old. All right, not looking bad, curling up. Damn. How are you guys finding these things? Just by looking on Coinbase at low market caps? Let me type it in again. We'll get moved on here in just a moment. I know you guys want to go look at some Dex Screener coins. So the Coinbase one, let's pull that up really quick here. Okay, yeah, I'm liking the Gate.io chart a lot better. So we'll keep that one. We'll get rid of that one. We'll keep it simple. Looks good here. You can see higher highs are in play. The curl up here. This thing's probably getting ready to take off. Let me go look at the market cap. This always slows us down. But looking at ZK really quick here. A lot of good plays on Coinbase. New ones and old ones. New ones probably have more potential for more return. But the older ones, like we've been saying all stream, is easy 5x's probably on pretty much all of them. Some 10x's or more. All right, so ZK here is sitting at a $500 million market cap. Supply is 3.6 billion. So 3.6 billion supply. We got to draw our thing on here first. So off of this big candle here, I don't know, we'll see what happens, but we may have to redraw. If it's being respected, we'll leave it. All right, so you can see the respect it's given. Looks good chart-wise. You're right on the doorstep of the 3-2. I would imagine once you blow through 14.5 here, which it looks extremely well, it's probably going to make a new high, and you're probably going to have the price shoot straight up to the 0.5, more likely than not, to make that new high. So if it's not going to go, look for a 20% spike here. Once you break up a 14.5 here, 14.3 at the moment. But the fact that you have this structure in play is very bullish. Very, very bullish here. Coiling, curling up here. And if we go from the low, that's not the right tool. Low to the high, let's see what it's sitting on. We go down to, well, we're already on the 3-day. Yeah, you're above the 3-2. As long as you're above 12, this thing is bullish. That's really all we can say. And then where we say it's going to end up going, if it's going to go to the 1272, what kind of multiplier does that get us? I got to keep checking my phone because my son's at his friend's birthday party. And I don't know when I have to go pick him up. All right, so depending on where you think the market cap's going to hit, it's already had a $500 million market cap right now. So ZK 3.6, 3.6 billion supply, and if it goes to 56 cents, 2 billion market cap. So where do you think this thing's going to? A lot of people say $1 billion. Well, yes, I just said 2 billion. So 2 billion to make it to 56. If it goes to $1, damn. If it goes to $1, 94.5 here, almost $1, that would be a 6.5x. But like I said, I don't know where this thing's going to end up. I don't know what market cap you think this thing's going to hit. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back over there in a minute. What's up, Patrick? How everyone's Saturday going? We're doing good. Flip coins in the house for 5 says used car isn't cooked. Any hope for reversal? Yeah, we're just about to go over to Dex Screener. We'll look at used car real quick and a couple others people are asking for. But yeah, hopefully that helped on ZK. Looks good here. I mean, it looks like it's about to pump. It's about to go. At least, well, the new high. So if it goes to a new high, 2 billion market cap, 3.5, almost a 4x. And right now, it looks like it's about to pump. It's either going to pump 20% or come all the way up to the 618 and do a 45% move. Which, like we've said or looked over, a lot of the Coinbase coins are slowly, or not slowly, but they're starting to go. We saw Polyswarm, now Math went. So maybe this one's going to have a huge spike up. But yes, once you get over 14.5, not bad. Everything's curling up without me and leaving. My coin ain't doing a damn thing. All right, let's get over to Dex Screener. We got a lot of people asking for Dex Screener coins. I appreciate that though, Flip Coins. I appreciate that a lot. Let me get up the Dex Screener if I can find it. All right, Dex Screener. Can you guys see that? And no one answered me. Is the mic okay? Oh, we got 42 people watching. 12 on X and 33 here on YouTube. You think $3 for ZK? I still have the chart up. You said $3. All right, I'm just going to tell you the all right, the 2272 is at 250. So 250 would give you a 17.5x. Next stop would be the 2618. So 250 and then 430. If it goes to $4.30, then you're looking at a 30x. But around the $3 range, 20x. $3 on ZK, he says, for a 20x. But yeah, we're looking at Dex Screener. Hold on, I'm trying to see what the market cap would be if it went to $3. All right, so we're looking at Chonky here. So Chonky to the moon. I was looking at Chonky off screen. Is that right? A 10 billion market cap? Almost an 11 billion market cap, if my math was correct. Up to that 250 range, or $3 on ZK. All right, so we're over here on Dex Screener. Let's go find used car really quick. So used car to the moon, or did it get stuck? I don't remember. We look at so many. Used car. It's just sad there's so many on my list that already went. Damn, that doesn't look good at all. It's down below the 0.5. Huge wick on this thing. Everyone's taking their profit on used car. But it could be as simple as it's just coming back and it's going to back test the 382. But as long as you're over 13.6, it'll still run at some point. And then once it breaks over, which it didn't hold over, it wicked above, as you can see here, right above the 618 here at 3.6. But if you get a weekly candle, yeah, we're on the weekly. So if you get a weekly candle to close above that, then it's probably going to take off at that point. But the fact that you're forming this wick here, I don't know, maybe there's not a reversal on this thing. That is the wrong one. But hopefully you took some profit on used car here, because you're never really sure what these meme coins are going to do. I'm trying to get the right tool here so I can grab this, but it can do this. I think we pointed that out last time. Just pull back test the trend, and then go back up. Could very well be the case. It's hard to say what meme coins are going to do. But as long as you're over the 382, once you break over the 618, it should break out at that point. And then if you're going to hold that long, the 1272 new high here, from where you are now, let me pull this down now that we fell a little bit. Still getting about a 30x out of this thing. Wait, that's not correct. Why is that doing that? All right, so from where you are right now, oh yeah, that was right. I don't know what I'm thinking. About a 28.5, almost a 29x to the new high here. It just depends on if you can hold through a pullback and then a move back up. Hopefully that helped on used car. 6 million market cap, 11,000 holders. It may not do it now, but it is going to make a new high at some point. I don't doubt that at all. We had some other meme coins asked for, but I don't remember what they were. Guy says someone put my soul already. Yeah, that's the one coin I have. I don't know. It seems like I can never pick a winner, so maybe Solarty's not ever going anywhere. Even though it does have a good looking chart. Jat B says, can you do Filecoin? Make sure I didn't miss anything. Is Dex Screener the preferred tool versus Dex tools? I don't know. I just use Dex Screener. I would have to get on Dex tools and look at it and learn the layout of it. Patrick says check Speedy. Oh yeah, Alien Base. Thanks for reminding me. Peak 8. I said Alien Base was moving. Sorry about that cough. Alien Base to the moon. Alright, so Speedy and Alien Base. So looking at Alien Base here, yeah, it's still moving up. This is what we went over last time. It's still doing this here. So if it comes up, the blue line I drew on the chart is 10.9, pretty much 11 pennies. If it breaks over 11 pennies, it may run at that point. Because you can see the high here, the lower high, and then another lower high could be in play. It is respecting the fibs as we've been watching. 8.7 million market cap now. But yeah, this one's looking good. It's been holding over the 4 penny range, and then it got back over the 236 at 6.4. It's moving up again. So we're waiting for a large green candle to spawn in again on this thing and get it through 11. And then you may have something here. This thing may start going, like I said. What I can do on ALB is go from that high to the low. And you can see that it's coming up on the 786 at 8.7. You're at 8.3. So if we can get over 8.7, that may push the price up to this previous high, and then you'll have the chance of breaking through 11. But yeah, Alien Bases is bullish. And the fact that you have this very large W pattern here with a slightly higher low off of this low could tell us that it's about to move on the macro here. And then where is it going? Alien Base is going to 15 bucks according to our chart here. It may go higher. I don't know. But if it goes to our target, $15, 177x from today. That is the top of the fib that we drew on the chart a while back. But it's only an 8 million market cap coin, so I don't see why it wouldn't just shoot to the moon. Very bullish looking chart overall. Yeah, Alien Base is going to be a winner here. So all you guys out there making money but me. What else we got here? Carlitos, $4.99 super chat. I appreciate that a lot. He says FALX. Oh, Falcon X. Is that what you mean? Eric says ICP. I think we forgot to look at that the other day. Crow with knife. Simplistic Daily Profits. How's it going? He says Crow with knife. Call. All right, we got to go look at Falcon X real quick. And then I know you guys are asking for a lot on Dex Screener, but I just can't keep up with you guys. First AI meme, coin, Kibshi. What is that on? Hibshi, and he said Speedy earlier. Yeah, a lot of these, Maneki, man, a lot of these look so primed and ready to go. If they haven't broken the downtrend yet, then they're good to go, in my opinion. But yeah, like Soul Ordi, we looked at a lot on the last live stream. What was another one? See all these on this list here: Honk, GME, Gummy, Hoppy, Ping, Wolf. There was a Wolf on ETH and a Wolf on Solana we were looking at. I don't remember which one. I think it's Wolf on Solana. It still has a good looking chart. I know you guys did ask for this, but, or no, maybe it was Wolf on ETH. Oh, this is the Ethereum one. Yeah, this one's going. You can see why it's going too. Bullish move up, and then it formed the continuation symmetrical triangle pattern here. That's all you needed, and now she's pumping, going to the moon right now. But what was the other one? Wolf. Is it this Wolf? Yeah, maybe it's this Wolf. Land. Oh, this is Land Wolf on base. Damn, how many wolves did we look at? This one looks good too. All right, but you guys said, what'd you say? Falcon X. Yeah, we should have a chart on this one because we've looked at it before. It looks good. Uptrend in play, high to the low, hit the 382 twice. So it is still in this macro downtrend, but I guess that's exactly what you want to see on these meme coins. Until they break out. Yeah, this one's getting curled up. I mean, squeezed. You can see here with the uptrend in play and then the downtrend, the price is right here, right below the 236, also at 3052. You're at 49 at the moment. Once you get over that, that may indicate, which this is the 3-day candles here, so it may take another week, or it could break out now. But you can see the price is getting squeezed between the downtrend and the uptrend here. So at some point, it's going to shoot to the upside here, and then maybe when you get over that 5.2 level, that will confirm that. It'll really confirm it once you get over 3075 here. You're bullish over the 382, and then probably a huge spike on Falcon X. So another good one here that's still in the downtrend, and it's probably going to go to the moon. Another Solana coin here. So another one with potential, a 48% move to get up to the 382 over 75 to be bullish, and then hopefully it makes it to the 618, a breakout over 1.3, 172% move, and then if it hits a new high, 13.5, close to one. Let me move this a little bit. About almost a 14x from where you are right now. So not bad. I mean, if you just think about it, all of these plays here, I know you guys probably have more money than me, but I got my first 101 coin already. But if you just throw $100 at, several different meme coins, Solana coins I like, but something like this here that's about to do a 14 to 15x, you throw $100 at it, then you turn that into, without even doing anything, maybe overnight sometimes, $1,000 to $1,500. At least that's the way I see it for now. Just gonna have to plant some seeds slowly as I get the money rolling in. Someone asked for something else. Let me go back over to the chat. We have the Chef 93. How's it going? I appreciate the 199 super chat there. Love the turbo updates. Opinion on Billy on Soul. Yep, we look at Billy a lot here too. Billy's another one. So many good Solana plays. We went over this in the last live stream, man. So if you guys got money out there to play with, not financial advice, of course, there's so many different plays you could do. So many gambles you could take. I don't know why that's on the screen. But looking at this one, what did we look at last time? So it's over the macro, low to the high 382 on Billy here. So as long as you're over 2.5 pennies, this thing is bullish. 47 million market cap, Solana coin, and let me see, high to the low. It got stuck right at the 0.5, came back down, but ultimately it's back above the 382. So as long as you're above 4.3, You can see that there. You're back to being bullish here. And the fact that you have this market structure intact here, you have the higher lows in play. It's just yet another one that's primed and ready to go. It looks like you could even draw from this high back here a downtrend. Looks just like the last one we looked at. It's about to get squeezed and it's about to pop. It's just going to go straight up. Damn, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, Billy looks good here. Bullish over this level. And it looks like once you break over 6, which it's already trying here, but 6 will pretty much confirm. You can see. But yeah, looks good. Downtrend and uptrend in play. Price is about to get squeezed here. Man, another good play. Billy on Solana here. It's about to rip. Yep. I know you guys are asking for a lot. What is LCP? Michael says LCX roadmap is incoming soon. What do you think about LCX once Micah are confirmed? I don't know what that means. Must be the use case or something for it, or something to go along with it. I just think the macro bottom for LCX is in. You said, ICP target for this bull run? I don't know about ICP. I'd have to go back and look at it. Maneki and Crow with Knife. Making sure I didn't miss any super chats. Oh, damn, you sent another one? Hold on. I gotta catch up here. We did math. Falcon X, Billy. Oh, the Chef 93 again says last one. WAT the rat on ETH. OX, okay. What? The rat on ETH. I think we looked at that one. I think someone asked for that yesterday. WAT. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah, this is it. This is the one we looked at. And as you can see on the chart, this thing's curling up already. So I put it on log scale for us. Yeah, doesn't look bad at all. Very bullish looking here. Higher highs and higher lows. Put it on the smaller one here. But right now it is above. It's sitting above the 0.5 at 16.8. You're at 18 at the moment. So the wicks that are getting stuck here, it's making higher highs still, so that's good. So once this thing establishes and gets a... Damn, if it gets a daily close over the 618 here, this is where these candles are getting stuck perfectly at. So if you can get a daily candle above 2.4 and close, that's when you potentially have a breakout in play here. But like everything else, it's curling up. It broke this very steep downtrend here, and it's been going up ever since. So I don't know where you bought in on this one, but it's still bullish. The ETH coins, like the Solana coins, are going to be good players, good winners, however you want to label it. But not bad. And then if it comes up from where it is right now to the new high, which it probably will, 9.5x from where it is today over the 0.5 support at 16.8. 7 million market cap, 8,000 plus holders. What the rat to the moon. And this is just the next high. It could go way higher than that. I'm just kind of focusing on the making a new high because it's too hard to get into market caps and where the market caps are going to take things, if that makes any sense. And I know I'm missing a whole bunch here. It's just we got 37 people in here. Nobody on Twitter wants to talk to us. They never say anything. OG Jerry in the house. Litecoin. Yeah, everyone just buy Litecoin. Litecoin's going to the moon. Litecoin's going to be the winner this cycle. We got Patrick for 5. I appreciate that. Speedy on ETH. Yeah, I forgot to look at Speedy. Sorry about that, but I appreciate the 5s, Patrick. I appreciate the support. Speedy. What is Speedy doing today? I thought I had some money before I get into Speedy. Omnom here. I don't know if you guys have heard of this one. I bought Omnom, and I forgot I had it in my MetaMask wallet. I bought this thing when it launched. Like, I was watching it, and right when it launched, I bought in. It went to the moon here, as you can see. I don't even remember what X it did. It did a crazy amount here, but they wouldn't allow me to sell. Every time I tried to put a sell order in, it just said no. It told me no every time. But you can see the move it did here. I bought in somewhere down here right after it came out. It did this move here, and I was just, every time it was going up, my money was just multiplying, and I was trying to get out. But the thing I don't understand is, it's now all the way up here, and I still can't sell it. But there, it says it's only worth 10 cents. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. But no, this was it. I don't know what they did. Just thought I would put that out there. But yeah, I got happy, so I went to go look at my MetaMask wallet because I heard that Omnom was pumping. And then I went and looked, and it was 10 cents worth of it. And I'm just like, I don't know what happened. Speedy to the moon. Let's look at Speedy for Patrick here. Speedy. Yeah, we've been looking at Speedy. Speedy, oh my god, it's still going. Oh my. Hopefully you guys are making money on this stuff. Man, why does this look like this? Oh, this is the one that just came out that I can't really chart because it's just bullish. That's what we've been saying on it. So low. Let me try to zoom in or zoom so we can see anything. All right, let me just clear this out just because it's annoying me. It's too much on the screen. So let's just clear it out. Let's start fresh. 20 million market cap. She's going to the moon. And we're on the daily. Yeah, we're just going to have to stick to the daily. This thing's just bullish. I can't really do anything with this. Let me see here. I get this to move. We'll go to the 12-hour chart. But yeah, didn't we look at it right here, and then it had another huge pump to the upside? Wow. So if we look at it on non-log, since it's so new, but it is very volatile here. Let me see what I can do. I hate those little buttons that pop up. Yeah, there's really nothing I can do on the chart. I guess the most recent pullback, if you want to know if this thing's going to continue to run and be bullish, it's very hard to tell because it is bullish. Huge green candle though. Huge candle here. We'll see. But low, high, you're sitting at 202 pennies. If it pulls back down to 17, I would still consider you bullish. Any lower than that, then it's probably coming back down to where it came from. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for my stupid measurement tool. But yeah, Patrick, do you own Speedy here? That is what you asked for, ain't it? Let me make sure. Yeah, Speedy. I was thinking Hoppy for a moment. 15% drop. I guess you could say even down to a penny and a half, the 382 here. So either of those targets, if it comes down to, you would still be considered bullish. Any lower than 1.5, a penny and a half, then this thing's going back down and going back to zero. So a 27% drop. And you can see if we put it on log scale, that 1.5 pennies is your 236 here. So maybe that 236, 1.5 pennies is the big target here. As long as you stay above that, it's bullish here on log scale. don't know why I pulled that up. But you can already see this candle's already turning back to green. It's only at a 20 million market cap. It's probably going to continue to run here. Let me go over to market cap here. So is this thing headed for a 50 million market cap? 100 million? $100 million market cap. So from where you are right now, get this pulled up really quick here. So if it hits a 40 million market cap, that's another 2x. And then 100 million market cap here, about a 4.5, almost a 5x. Right on the doorstep of a 5x if you think this thing's going to hit 100 million market cap. But yeah, can't get any better than this. Hopefully you made money on it. This thing's going to the moon right now. Damn. Alright, so let's get back over to the chat. Oh, you got in when it dipped to 005? Really? Oh, damn, and this thing's at 2 pennies now? Or what? Yeah, 2 pennies. Oh, you bought in on this dip here? Oh, no, not that dip. Where's 00? Oh, you said 005. Yeah. Making that money, Patrick. Good on you. Good job. And like I said before, guys, if I miss anything, I apologize. I have to prioritize the super chats. We got 28 people on YouTube and 15 on Twitter watching. The silent Twitter people. We've been in here for an hour already, man. Peter says stargaze. What is that? When you guys say these names, if it's not something we all know, is that a meme coin? I know you guys. I can't really scroll back. We did. Oh yeah, Crow with Knife of Maneki. Just so I remember those. Let me do those real quick. I know we have a Maneki chart. Maneki on Solana. Yeah, Maneki, 67 million market cap. Broke the downtrend on the 3-day chart here. This thing is bullish too. It's probably going to have a good, decent run soon. Broke the downtrend. It's above the 382 at 2073. So once this thing starts to move here, if it follows everything else, 618 retracement would take you up another 60%. And then a new high, potentially 6.5x to 5 pennies. But yeah, we've seen this multiple times. Not only the structure here with the higher highs all the way from back here at the low, but also the higher lows, downtrend, and then once the downtrend is broken, at that point they start spiking up. So this is why I'm trying to catch Sol Ordi. Sol Ordi is still in the downtrend here. And when it runs hard. And then what else did we say? Let's see. We looked at Maneki. We looked at ALB. I'm not even going to look at Sol Ordi. It makes me sad that it's not doing anything. All right, what did you say else? We said Maneki. Oh, you said not a meme. The Chef 93 right now says, what's your favorite meme coin? Are you talking to me or the chat? Fabian, welcome. He says it's pumping. What's pumping? I'm looking, hold on, I'm looking through the chat right now. No Wax, back in the house. How's it going, man? Still in Speedy from 78K market cap. Good on you. It was number 1 on Dex Tools earlier. The world now knows about Speedy. Oh, it's probably going to continue to run then. Hopefully you guys make a ton of money with Speedy. It's still extremely bullish here. can't wait to feel like you guys. And he asked, what's my favorite meme coin? If he was talking to me, right now it's Soul Orty. Just because I needed to pump. Yeah, he said you. Okay, yeah, the Chef 93. Just because a couple of weeks ago, I don't know how long I've been live streaming now, but Big Willie sent me $100, and I finally got my YouTube money, and I put that $100 on Soul Orty. Finally back in the market with my little $100 bag. But that's why my favorite meme coin is Soul Orty right now, because I needed to pump. Even if it does a 3x, a 5x. Just to get some more money into some other meme coins here, because they're starting to go one at a time, as we pointed out. And that's what we went over in the last live streams. But Soul Orty here, you can see when it runs hard. And now the fact that it's got the same chart as all the other Solana and all the other coins on ETH or wherever, downtrend is still in play. It hasn't broken out yet. And I'm expecting once it breaks out, you know, to have a huge spike up just like everything else. And then if it hits a new high, the new high would give me a, whoa, I didn't even realize that. So, but yeah, look at the chart here. Soul Orty runs really hard when it does. So if it runs again, a new high, every time it makes a new high. So if it makes a new high, I'm looking at an 85x. So what's 100 times 85x? I couldn't hold that long. There's no way. Well, I guess if it does like a 5x out of here. Let's see here. I know you guys didn't ask for this one, but come up to the 618 at least. A 7x. 0.5 would be almost a 5x. So if it does a 5x, I would roll that money back into something else that hasn't moved. And then maybe I'll leave $100 on here. Because even at that point, if I get it there, and then it continues to run, what was it, the 382, or no, it was the 0.5. But if it continues to run from there, and I leave $100 in at the 0.5 at 24002, and then it comes up here, then $100 would turn into almost a 19x at that point. But yeah, that's a huge move, 85x. I don't know. Maybe I won't touch it. Leave my $100 in here for an 85x. That would be nice. We'll see what happens though. You said the volume's pretty low. Yeah, there's nobody buying it right now. It's doing nothing. It's going sideways forever here. But Sol, it's on Solana. Very active Twitter, only a 500k market cap. It's got some holders. I like the fact that it has a history of pumping. I like the chart. So I guess that's why I like it. And now that I know it's going to do an 85, 86x, I like it even more. Ricky Ortiz, how's it going? Speedy's killing it. Yes, it is. He says, if you miss Turbo, then don't miss on Speedy. Speedy's going to the moon. I'm trying to scroll back and see if I missed anything. He said, not a meme. Yeah, I got it when it dipped. Still pumping. Wait, what did you ask for? I don't remember. Stargaze, is that what you said? Everyone should hold at least a small bag of the first AI meme coin, Kibshi. Oh yeah, that's right. You asked for Kibshi. What is that on? Kibshi. So what do you guys think? Do you think Soul Orty is going to make a move, or you think I should switch my money over into something else? Another Solana play. There was a wolf one, I thought, but I don't remember what it was. ETH on, hold on. Damn. reading so many chats coming through right now. I forgot what meme coin I was going to look up on ETH. Kibshi, that's right, Kibshi. All right, let me go do Kibshi before I forget. He says Kibshi on ETH. And I got to look at the time. I'm going to have to go get my son from his friend's birthday party. Kibshi, is that it? Kaibo Shib, is that it? Oh, we already looked at this one, apparently. Let me go back to the chat. Is that the right one? Paula Rose says Soul already staying and it's going up now. And Peter says Stride. Low market cap, low circulating supply with 88% in circulation. That's bullish. That's good. Kibshi. Okay, yeah, that's it. All right. I thought you were laughing at me. I thought I was doing something stupid. Geki, if you can. What is Geki? PJ says Geki. All right, this is it. We've looked at it before. I don't know why this is not on log for some reason all of a sudden. Looking at it on the weekly. So, let's see what it's doing. High to the low. It's over the 786 here. It was making a higher high here, but then it kind of just fell off the table. So you don't always have to have a higher high. Well, hold on. Let me zoom in here. It doesn't always have to be a double top with a lower high. It could just be a double top and things will still fall off the table. Just so you guys are aware of that. But yeah. I don't know. It's still bullish. Still looks like a good chart. The dip down here. This one's hard. 10 million market cap, 3,000 holders. I just don't like the way the chart looks here. Maybe I'm not zoomed out enough. But the one thing I do notice when I first look at the chart, if you look at the monthly here, look at the monthly. This thing is not very old, and the monthly looks bullish here. It looks like it's coming up to make another higher high. But it does have these huge wicks on both ends. That's what makes the chart off here. But the one thing I noticed on the chart, if we look at the weekly chart, the one, of course, it had this uptrend in play here. Let me go ahead and draw this. It's only at a 10 million market cap. It's on ETH, so it's probably going to do something. But the uptrend here was broken. The fact that now you're making a lower high here and you're making lower lows now is not bullish. It is curling up here most recently. I would just simply say, this is what I'm going to say on it. It needs to break this previous high here, which I got the wrong thing, but you get the idea. Well, let me get that off. Let me go ahead and just draw a horizontal line that I do have up here. If it can break and not make a lower high, then you may have something here. And then where's it going? Let me see that in just a moment. I don't know. In my opinion, there's a lot better charts out there. But it's... if you take away the wicks, it's just overall, the whole thing is just curled up here. But you need to break over this 185 level. 4 zeros, 185. If you can break over that, then it'll probably start running. And then if I simply pull that up, and if we bring up the right level here, the next high after the high where it pretty much got stuck twice is going to be 301. And keeping it simple and moving things along here. If it breaks through there, then you're looking at about a 12x, almost 13x, I would say. So hopefully that did something to help. But yeah, Speedy's going to the damn moon right now. Damn. Alright, so we miss anything else? He said geeky. He says brat on base. You mean Brett or Brat? What is geeky? Or gecky? This it? Gecky, the only gecky on ETH? Gecky the gecko? This thing's already leaving. Already left the station. It looks bullish. Higher high, curled up. There's nothing you could say about it. It's bullish here. So hopefully this is the right one. 1 million market cap. I don't know. I mean, they're all gamble plays. I think the Solana charts look better than the Ethereum charts, but some of the Ethereum coins, like we saw with Speedy, are going to the moon right now. But it came out and went to the moon. And it's still going. But not bad looking here. I mean, it came out, went all the way back down, clearly formed some sort of a base here, started making higher highs and higher lows, curling up, and now she's moving. So just to keep it real simple, high to the low, you're right there at the 382. If it can break over 17.6, it's at 15.7 at the moment. Not only are you bullish here, but you'll probably start moving once again. But it does look that is like it's getting stuck here. So until you break over that, you can't be too bullish on it, but it is a meme coin and it is pumping, and it seems to be the only gecky. So it could be a play, could be a good play. And then we'll just keep it simple. If it comes up and makes a new high, see how decent of a move. Up to 5 pennies would give you a 3x, 3.5x. But it's not the easiest to chart these coins, these meme coins. But yeah, after the initial here, it just did nothing. So maybe it's just gonna run to the moon. It's only at a 1 million market cap. So if it comes all the way up to the top of our fib here, it just shoots up here with a giant candle, 10x. 11x here to the moon to 17 pennies. Could be the case. We'll see. I've seen a lot of things come out and go directly to the top of the fib before they decide to pull back. So maybe a 10x play. And then he said brat. Yeah, it's already 7, almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna have to go soon, you guys. It goes by so fast when we're doing this. You said brat to the moon. This one? 900k market cap. I would imagine this is it. Well, you said brat on. Yeah, this is base. Damn, this thing's going too. Are you guys making money on this stuff? I don't know what you want me to say on this. Go down to the smaller time frame. We'll just stick on the 3-day. Just all I can do is keep it real simple. It's going to the moon. Hopefully you're making money. Not financial advice, but hopefully you are taking profit on this thing. You guys are all getting rich without me. High to the low. It's above the 0.5. As long as you're above 8.4. Next price to beat is the 618 at 201. You're almost there. If you break over that, potential breakout at that point, and the new high here on Brat would take you all the way up here to potentially 002 and do a little over a 2x left to go here. And then what did it do from the bottom here, depending on where you bought in, of course. Damn, you already got almost an 8x. So just ask yourself, are you gonna hold and try to get another 2x, or are you going to take your profit here? Which hopefully you did. We got Wyatt back in the house. Says smash that like button. I appreciate that every time you come in here. I always forget to say it until you come in here. He says Degen will fly 10 to 100x. You talking about Degen? Degen? The coin we cover all the time. Junior in the house. What's up, Junior? How's it going? 39 people in here. Every time we get, close to 40 or above, it's always time to end the stream. He says get into diligence, spectral. All right, we're gonna have to end this very soon. If I missed anything, like I said before, I apologize. I had super chats coming in, so I had to prioritize those. Spectral on base. Spec here, is this what you're talking about? 120 million market cap. This is not what you're talking about, is it? This thing's dead. It's not doing anything. I take that back. Just got to zoom in here. Is this what you're talking about? If this is what you're talking about, I can't say anything about it. It's bullish here. This thing looks good. It's curling up here. Higher lows, curling up. Got a good green candle in here, making a new high. Not too bad. The one thing I notice on the chart is, of course, this here. The support here turned resistance, and then you're back at that once again. So let's see if this is based on a fib level. I don't know about this huge scam wick here. That's what makes the chart off, but hopefully I'm looking at the right one. But high to the low. Alright, so that doesn't really tell us anything, but it is a scam wick. But if we do it by this one here, you will confirm the bottom is in, which it's a meme coin, so once it's probably just going to fly to the moon. You see 13.27 here, so this thing's at $10. So if you want to look at it that way, to be bullish over or the bottom end, you need to move up 35%. Now let's see if we pull this down and don't use the scam wick. We use this high here, and let's kind of pull the chart up a little bit. And then here you can see it is also respecting the levels. So right now you're above the 618 at 955. So we'll see the next stop up. Maybe you're going to break out here soon. The next resistance is a 20% move to 1180. And then once you break through 1180, it's probably just going to shoot straight up here to that 21. Now 21, and do a little over a 2x. Like I said, it's a meme coin. It's curled up. It's bullish. It just, it's going to do what it's going to do. That's all I can say. But yeah, the huge spike it had here is just ridiculous. But it looks bullish here. Spending too much time on these coins like you guys paid me to look at them. He says it's AI, not meme. What do you... Oh, so that wasn't even it? I just wasted my time. So Spectral would be probably on TradingView. The Awkward Farmer says, give us some ACH action. Oh, that was it? Oh, okay, you're saying it's AI, not meme. Okay, that's probably why it has that price. But yeah, Junior, hopefully that helped. It looks bullish right now. Alicia, back in the house. I'm late, but can you check out Gods? You talking about Gods Unchained? I guess we'll go back over to Deck Screener. ACH and Gods Unchained. I'm going to have to end it there because it's getting late. I have things to do here. I have to pick up my son. I have to get ready for work in the morning. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys coming in here. We had a bunch of super chats come in, so I didn't get to everyone's thing because I had to prioritize those. But I appreciate everyone in here. Let's go look at... Real quick, let's go check out ACH. ACH is going to 60 cents. Jasmine's going to $1. ACH is going to, let me bring up the right screen, 60 cents. Gods, I forgot about Gods, but Gods is going to do something. And if you guys just come in here, hit the like button for Wyatt. Wyatt tells everyone to hit the like button. But we talked about a lot of the older coins. If you're looking for a good solid 5x move, you know, XRP, Avalanche, damn, I can't remember the other one, Dogecoin, Gala Games, a lot of the older ones are going to easily do 5x's. Some do 10x's. Now, a lot of them will probably do 10x's, but there's a lot of good plays if you have the money. Yeah, ACH is doing nothing. It's still sitting here, but it's in a good spot, as I've went over many times. It broke the downtrend, it back tested it, and it's just kind of sitting here. We saw a couple of things do this. I don't remember, was it Math? We looked at Math earlier. Math did this same exact thing. It broke out, just kind of went sideways for a minute, and then it had a huge run up right now. So ACH is probably going to have a huge spike soon. Hopefully. But yeah, like I said, it's in a real good spot here. It's above the macro 236, so maybe you get about a 39 or 40% move here soon, up to 2.7. If you can get over 2.7, this thing's bullish again. And then, like I keep telling you guys, this thing's going to the new high, 1272, almost a 5 billion market cap, 30x from today, 60 cents here. And then someone said gods. Yeah, I can't believe it's getting so late already. Gods we cover every once in a while on the channel here, so I know we have a chart for it. The old KuCoin chart. I don't know what this is. Oh, pointing out the higher lows, I guess. Double bottom, higher lows. Same thing here. Looks good. It's curling up. Broke the uptrend, back tested it, came down, higher low. It's only a matter of time before Gods goes to the moon here. Low to the high. Hit the 786. Nice to see. Back over the 618 at 1718 here. So yeah, you can see the 236 and the 382. So once you get over 27, the bottom is confirmed in, and you are bullish short term here to push up. It's probably going to shoot you right up to the macro 382 at 53. Once you get over 53, macro bullish, and then we'll update it from there, of course. But for a couple of targets, this is probably going to have to be the last coin. But if the market cap or the supply is still the same, 150 or $1.55, 443 million market cap. So a 618 retracement gets you a 7.5, almost an 8x on Gods. And then close to $1 billion market cap, 17x up to 335 to the 786 here. So two good potential targets, you know, in a bull run. It hasn't done nothing in a long time, so it'll probably retrace easily to the 618 here. So could be a good play there. And then if it goes to a new high, 8 billion market cap, 8.7, a very massive 160x to $30. But yeah. All right. So I thank you to everyone coming in here. I'm sorry we do have to end this. I do have to get things done and get going. I appreciate all you guys that came in here and sent super chats. I appreciate that. That is awesome. Appreciate everyone in here watching and supporting the channel and all the positive things you guys are saying on all the videos. It really helps me here. So with all that being said, good luck, everyone. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everyone.